Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will learn two things. First is how to make a background for the painting and second blending technique. Here I have taken a canvas. It is a stretched canvas. With the help of acrylic paint I will create a background. For background I am using four colors: yellow, orange, magenta and red. These are acrylic colors. If you want to know more about acrylic color, I will share the link in description box. Artists prepare a painting in a different way. Some artists prepare the background first and then they make the main subject. And some artists make subject first and then they make the background. So here we are making background, and you can make these type of background for your painting and then you can make the subject. Acrylic colors are water soluble, so we can add water to dilute it and then apply on the canvas. I have applied colors. Now I will blend red and magenta. Why we blend the color? We blend for smooth transition of colors. We diffuse the edges of the color. For blending these two colors, red and magenta, I will clean my brush and then try to mix these two colors. I'm moving my brush only in the middle portion. So after some time you will see no line between these two colors and color is going smoothly from one color to another color. Now you can see here how I am blending orange and magenta. Clean the excess paint with the help of paper towel and again move the brush. We need a little practice to learn the blending technique. Acrylic paint takes very less time to dry, so we have to move our hand very fast. We can mix a little bit water if brush is not moving properly, but in a very less quantity. In market different mediums are available. It helps to acrylic paint for increasing the drying time, but for practice water is okay. So here you can see we have prepared a background. Now we can make some painting on this background. With the same method, I am preparing another background. You can learn more in a more better way, the blending technique. In this canvas, I am using 5 colors. I will blend 3 colors, yellow, green and dark green, and I will blend blue and white too. But I will not blend blue and yellow color. So you will see the clear difference, clear line between these blue and yellow color. So you will understand the difference of blend color and not blend color. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for the notification. And if you want to support me, give me a like, thumbs up and share with your friend who want to learn painting techniques. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you have any queries, you can write me on comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.